Hello children, happy morning. How are you all? Fine? Yes, today we are going to see the story name A Colorful Day. A story name A Colorful Day. From the title, can you guess what is the story about? Story is about celebrating a festival called Holi. Let's see how this Holi is celebrated. We will predict the picture and answer the following questions. In the picture, what do you see on the table? Yes, I am able to see so many colors like red, yellow, green, blue. Even there are water balloons to play. These colors are used in the festival called Holi. How do people play with these colors? They put these colors on each other's face. In this picture, we can see a girl. This girl name is Sita. So the girl name is Sita. What do you think the girl is thinking about? Sita might be thinking which color to choose. Let's see in the next picture what color she finally choose. Finally, we can see Sita has purple color water balloon in her hand, and can you see children, she is searching someone but no one is at her home. So Sita looks sad in this picture. Now Sita looks out of the window in search of everyone. Where did everyone go without her? Let's see in the next picture. Here we can see someone else outside. Yes, now Sita see her brother under the tree. Here she is ready to splash that purple color water balloon on her brother. Why she is doing? Because it is a Holi festival and they are playing Holi. This boy name is Pintu. Can you see green color on his boy? Yes, Pintu is covered in green. We can also see Pintu has balloon and he wants to throw on Sita. Let's see what he does in the next picture. Why do you think this girl Sita is laughing? Can you see something on the window? Yes, she is laughing because she was able to splash watercolor on her brother. Now, to whom is the boy trying to aim at? Yes, at Sita. But water gets splashed on the mother, and now mother is covered with blue in color. Who is next in the picture in blue t-shirt? Yes, he is Sita's dad. What do you think he have in his hand? It's lovely pichkari, also called water gun, from which we can splash watercolor. Now again, mother got the watercolor splash on her, and now see, she is covered in orange color. Now which color Pintu is splashing? It's blue color. And what color girl is having in her hand? It's pink color. And now we can see cat also is covered with all different colors. We can see Pintu runs behind Sita to the gate, as we can see someone coming in the brown car. Who is coming out of the car? Yes, it's grandma. What had grandpa and grandma bought for them? They all bought some yummy sweets. Since it's a Holi festival, so they have bought some sweets. In this picture, we can see girl Sita puts color on grandpa and grandma, and they all are very happy. So children, we learned about different colors and we learn about the festival of color, that is Holi. So that was the story, A Colorful Day. Now we will go to the reading part. So what you have to do, you have to take your storybook, track the word with your pointer finger and start reading. Okay, let's do the reading. A colorful day, a colorful day. So many colors to play with. So many colors to play with. Green, yellow, blue and red. Green, yellow, blue and red. What should Sita choose? What should Sita choose? No one is at home. Sita is sad. No one is at home. Sita is sad. She ran to the window. She ran to the window. Where did everyone go without her? Where did everyone go without her? Sita sees her brother under the tree. Sita sees her brother under the tree. She picks up a water balloon. She picks up a water balloon. Watch out, Pintu, run. Watch out, Pintu, run. Pintu is covered in green. Pintu is covered in green. Watch out, Sita, splash. Watch out, Sita, splash. Pintu aims at Sita, but it is Ma who is covered in blue. Pintu aims at Sita, but it is Ma who is covered in blue. Here comes Pa. Here comes Pa. Too late. Ma is covered in orange too. Too late. Ma is covered in orange too. Pintu sprays Sita with blue water. Pintu sprays Sita with blue water. Sita throws pink color on him. Sita throws pink color on him. Pintu runs after her to the gate. Pintu runs after her to the gate. A brown car turns into the road. A brown car turns into the road. Who is in there? Who is in there? It is Grandma and Grandpa. It is Grandma and Grandpa. They have brought sweets. They have brought sweets. Now they are colorful too. Now they are colorful too. Everyone is happy Holi. Everyone is happy Holi. So students, this was all about the story A Colorful Day. So students, that's all for today. See you in the next class. Thank you and bye-bye.